Hello guys, I'm Rituraj. So I work for Dineout, wherein I am trying to get into the product management role. So I have a background in operations, and I came to know about this course from my company only. I'm trying to kind of get into product management, and this course per se is for people who are trying to get into product management role. And if I talk about the whole course structure, so it's a 2 days crash course, and basically it tries to kind of bring in some method to the madness that is product management basically. And even though we had 2 days, and we did cover a lot of stuff, and that is very relevant and very practical oriented. And it was not just bookish stuff that was being taught about, stuff that you can right away go back and use. And apart from that, I guess they have managed to like the course does manage to cover most of the aspects. And like I said, it's a very practical oriented course, and things that you learn here you can go back and easily implement. I mean, right from the ideation stage wherein you get ideas and you find the problems, how to go about focusing on the problems, then how to kind of generate the ideas, and finally getting like going to the solutions part, and then finally building the mock-ups and everything. So yeah, it's like A to Z of product management, and in our capsule science modules. Yeah.